Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have a collaboration and it's called the Home Decor Luxe Club, and that's hosted by Glam Elegant Living. So the series is called Bling on the Fall series. We will be posting a video every Saturday in the month of August. So the main host is Glam Elegant Living, that's Lady Allie. The co-hostesses are Creations by Simone, Decorating Anne's Place, the Rodgers House, Glam Designs by Anne, DIY Design by CCW, at Penny's Place, Buckeye Girls Wreaths and Things, Amethyst Adventures, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and a Happy Hoarder. I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host channels down in the description box below. And I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So all we ask is that you full watch the videos and that you subscribe to our channels. And don't forget to head on over to that playlist so that you can get ideas for the holiday season. So in this video today, I decided to make a glam centerpiece vase, and I'm using that ice blue color. It is absolutely beautiful, and as you can see, I'm going with the lighter colors, so I can't wait to jump into this video. So this vase here, using this color, we're going to have to give this vase a couple of coats in order to get the right color blue that I'm looking for. So that's what I'm doing here. Now, so we can stay stress-free during the holiday time, not only do we have to make sure that we stay on a budget and get our bills paid on time, but then we also, it's a good idea for us to decide what we're going to go ahead and make for our holiday dinner or meal. So we have to figure out how many people we're going to feed and then what that meal is going to be. So I suggest that you do this ahead of time so that it makes it easy on you for that day in order for you to cook your meals and know exactly what you're making. So once you set yourself on a budget, once all of your bills are paid, once you decide what you're going to plan for your holiday meal, then you might want to think about what it is you want to spend on each person for the holiday. This makes it a little bit easier because you give yourself a set amount that you want to spend per person on the holiday. So the whole idea for me is really to stay stress-free and not go over that amount so that you don't stress trying to pay your bills after the holiday. So this is why I say it's easier to set a budget on how much you want to spend on each person. So normally what I do throughout the year is pick up a few extra gifts for those people that come visiting or popping in that you weren't expecting. And so this way you have something to give them also. So now that I'm done coloring the bigger vase, I decided to go ahead and color this martini glass, and both these items I purchased at the Dollar Tree. So we also have to give this bottom piece here multiple coats. So that's what I'm doing now. So remember that all the items that I'm using to create this craft will be listed in the description box below. Most of these items I did purchase at the Dollar Tree. So in the previous video, I had some DIYs that I made in silver. So you could see that this color blue is going to blend in beautifully. Notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.